Hello dear students. In this video we'll see how to embed YouTube video, and we'll also see how to solve the error if the video doesn't appear. Let's go to YouTube. This is the video that I want to embed. You should have a share option. That video only you can embed. From embed code, we will copy this entire embed code, Control C, and then we'll go to our editor. So I'm using Notepad++. You might be using Parrot or text editor or Notepad. So let me paste, Control V. Let me press Ctrl S to save, and let's go to the folder where I have my HTML file is this new dot. Oh no, sorry, not this file. This after code. So here you see after audio the video is not shown, so this is an error of Chrome. So how we can solve it is you just need to shift this code upwards. I have pressed Control X, and let me just hit on the top. Yes, I'll just put it top. Let me press Control S and go to the browser and reload. And here it comes. This is a silly and a funny error that is there in Chrome. I'll also show how to embed a downloaded video. So you can have a video in your folder itself. So in my HTML folder I have this video. What is HTML file? Let me rename it to a simple name. Let's just video, and I need to just check its property. What is the extension? That is what is dot. Okay, so it is .mp4. Okay, so video.mp4 is name of my file. So if you remember from CodeBuilder, we had copied 11 tags. So you will have this code like video src is equal to. So in that I will remove this real code. I'll just write video.mp4. Okay, remember there are no forward slashes. It's just video.mp4. Let me press Ctrl S. Let us reload. So this is the embedded one, and below, so again you see the video is not showing. It might be because I haven't used the keyword controls. Okay, so in audio we had used a keyword called controls. Similarly in video tag also we will use this keyword controls. Let me save by Control S. Go back to this output. We have reloaded, and no, it is not showing up again, I guess. So I will have to shift it on the top. Let me press Yes. Let us reload again. Okay, so it is only showing the video. Let me try another resolution. Yes, for now it is showing only video and it is not showing any other tag. So it is the error of Chrome and not the error of our coding. So don't worry. So this is how you can use video, a downloaded video in your HTML file, or this is the embedded code from YouTube. There is one more way of writing this video tag. Let me show you that as well. So let me just go search for video tag on this an international body, worldwide consortiums, that is W3, Worldwide Consortium World Wide Web Schools. So it is showing me something like this: video and size of the player, controls, and then put source src. So let me copy this code and write this. Our file is mp4, so we don't want this GG source. If the browser does not support video tag, then this line would come up. And the name of our video is video.mp4, and this is the size of the player. Let us save and reload our code. Here it comes. So we have used the video tag from W3 schools. We have removed that second source which was video.ogg, so that I have removed. And so this is the video tag that we can use when we have a video in our own folder. And this is an iframe tag, which is YouTube embedded code that we have copied from YouTube. So if I close this, we clicked on share button and we got the embed code, and you selected it, you copied it and pasted in your Caret or your notepad. Okay, and what we have done is we have shifted it above because it was not showing up when it was down. Okay, so this will solve your doubt. Thank you.